Hello everyone. Welcome again to the Non-Handyman channel. Today, we will be installing handles on our cabinet doors in our bathroom. Well, my drill was out of commission, so I had to borrow my neighbor's drill. First, you want to get an idea of where you're going to drill the holes. These are the handles that my wife bought for me to install. So I got a good idea of how it's going to look on the cabinet doors. Now, most handles will come with their own set of screws, washers, or whatever is needed in order to install the handles, such as these. You're going to need a drill bit in order to drill the hole inside the cabinet door. Find the right drill bit that will fit inside the handle where the screws will be going in, just so that you'll know that you'll be drilling a big enough hole in order to fit the screw through. In this case, we're using a size 1/8 drill bit. Now let's put the drill bit into the drill. And you want to make sure that the polarity on the drill is going in the right direction so that you can tighten up the drill bit into the drill. As you can see, we made the markings on the cabinet doors already. And I even made a mistake on the left cabinet door, but it's okay because the handle is going to cover up that mistake. Now we made the markings by placing the handles on the cabinet doors. And where the handles touch the doors, that's where we put our marks. Now we can start drilling, but we want to be careful. What we want to do is tap the trigger a couple of times to get a good feel of the wood. And when we see that it's okay, now we can hold down the trigger and continuously drill the hole. We're going to take one of the screws and try to fit it into the hole. Uh-oh, it doesn't fit. Well, it looks like we're going to have to go to a larger drill bit to make a bigger hole. Let's try a size 3/16 drill bit. Perfect fit. Now we can move on. We'll finish drilling the other holes. And double check the holes with the screws. You remember those washers that came with the screws? Now we're going to use them. Let's place the washer over the screw and put it into the hole. And you want to do that with all 4 screws. Place the handle on the other side of the door and tighten the screws into the handle. Now, when tightening the screw into the handle, you may run into a problem, as we did here. You see, the door is too small for the screw. I went into my toolbox and luckily I found some split-ringed lock washers. These were perfect to fill the gap that was needed to tighten the handle. Let's put the handle back on and see if this adjustment actually worked. It looks like that worked. The door handle feels pretty tight. We'll repeat that same process with the other handle, and we should be done. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think? My wife was pretty happy. There will be a little bit of cleanup of the wood shavings caused by the drill. But clean that up, and you should be good to go. And there you have it. We hope this helped you in installing the handles on your cabinet doors. Be sure to like if this helped you out, subscribe to our channel, and please share with your friends. This is the Non-Handyman signing out.